You're great, they gonna hate. Ha! Yeah! Check it out, PB gang. Look, a lot of you guys be tripping off. I don't know, a lot of you guys don't like enhancements, man. But I don't know. I love enhancements. Me, since I got 720 waves, as you can see, when he's lining me up, I'm going to have gaps. And what that is like, as you can see right now, you can see little gaps in between from my waves to the hairline. And when you put the enhancements on between my gaps after the hairline, the lineup, it actually clears those gaps, and it puts pretty much enhancements on the gaps, and it makes my lineup more cleaner. A lot of you guys don't experience that because you guys don't have 720 waves. It's different. Your waves are going sideways. They're not going straight down. They're going sideways. So being that it's going sideways, it's going to have gaps. So this is like the icing on the cake for me. I love enhancements. I don't got a problem with them. I know a lot of you guys don't like it, but that's just me. I like enhancements. Even with my 360s, I used to get enhancements too. I don't go too crazy, Picasso enhancements and all that. Nah, I do get enhancements though. My barber does not give me enhancements because he want to do it. I tell him, you know what I'm saying, I want my enhancements. Your barber should do whatever you tell him to do. He looks out for me and do what I tell him to do. So, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, y'all comment below. Let me know how y'all feel about this cut right here. It's actually a shape up. Man, dude, it's clean. Look. Oh yeah, it's clean. Nothing wrong with it. It's nothing wrong with it, man. Yeah. All right, guys. So look, y'all know it's, man, it's summer vibes, man. Y'all know summer vibes is out now, man. The butter moisturizer and the oil. And hey, I've been using it. You know what I'm saying? That's all I've been using. That's all I've been using since I've been woofing. It's summer vibes. Okay, we at day 110, bro. We on day 110. 110 days since the scalp, since I went bald headed, bro. And I'm woofing crazy. I have not got no cuts or nothing. All I have been getting is like shape ups and stuff. Y'all know I show y'all everything all the time. So I will be taking y'all with me to get the full haircut. I will be getting the full haircut next week. So y'all stay tuned.